Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find your game in Google Play Store on POCO X5 Pro. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store, and here, just to preview, let's try to find Diablo Immortal or Call of Duty Mobile. As you can see, there's no results that we want, and Call of Duty, maybe it will be there. It's also not in a list. And to fix this issue, we'll need to go back, click on the profile picture, open the settings, then reach the family. Here, select the parental controls and either disable them entirely by clicking on the button right here, or go for apps and games. Enter your PIN code, click on OK, then click enter the PIN code again. And here you need to increase PG to 18 or 16. Let's go for 16 in this case. Click on the save and go back. Now if we try to find these games, there should be right here on the top, and we can install them. And Diablo Immortal, yep. Oh, actually it's not for some reason. Let's try to restart the Google Play Store, as it might need that. But this app won't work for my device, so there's no fix for it. You might need to download the app file from a different source. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.